Facebook Ads Tutorial for Beginners Step-by-Step Guide. Welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on Facebook ads. If you're new to Facebook advertising, this guide will walk you through each step to set up, launch, and optimize your ads for success. By the end, you'll understand how to reach your audience targets effectively and grow your business. First things first, we have to understand Facebook ads. Basically, Facebook ads are paid messages from businesses that appear in users' feed. They allow you to target specific audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, making them a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. And so before we proceed to the step-by-step tutorial, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the ad manager of Facebook. Now, there are two ways to do this. The first way is to head over to Google, search for Ad Manager, and from here you can just navigate through the official website of Facebook, which is the facebook.com/business/tool/ad manager. From here, you will then be taken to this website. You have your overview, case study, get started, tips, and help. Now you simply want to click on the Go to Ads Manager button, and you will be taken to the ad manager of your Facebook profile or page. As you can see right here, we've managed to successfully launch our Facebook ad manager. Now, if you want to navigate it to the second way, you can just open up your Facebook account like this one. And basically, once inside, if you navigate through the side menu or the side category, we have the Ad Manager button. So you want to click on the Ads Manager. Once again, you will be taken to basically the same page. Now, to get started, all you have to do is to navigate through the Create button. Now, from here, you have your dashboard overview. Basically, you want to familiarize yourself with the Ad Manager dashboard where you'll create and manage your campaigns. Now, the key sections are the campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Each level controls different aspect of your ad strategy. Now, let's go ahead and click on the Create button. Right after that, we will then be taken to this page. Basically, you have your buying type, you have your auction, and you have your reservation. In here, you want to go ahead and choose the campaign objective. In here, you have different objectives. If you want to promote awareness, you can just click on this button. If you want traffic through your page, click on traffic. You have the engagement, leads, app promotion, and lastly, sales. And so if you navigate through each category, you can then go ahead and see the short description of the specific objective campaign. For awareness, you want to show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. This is good for reach, brand awareness, video views, store location awareness. For traffic, you want to send people to a destination like your website, app, Instagram profile, or Facebook event. This is good for link clicks, landing page views, Instagram profile visits, and Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp call. Now for engagement, you want to get more messages, purchases through messaging, video views, post engagement, page likes, or responses. Now these are good for video views, post engagement, conversions, or calls. For leads, you want to go ahead and collect leads for your business or brand. This is good for instant forms, Messenger and Instagram, conversion, calls. Now for app promotion, you can go ahead and do this to find a people to install your application and continue using it. And lastly, for sale, once again, it's good for people who want to go ahead and purchase your product. In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on traffic, click on continue. And from here, you have the recommended settings and you have the manual traffic campaign. Basically, you want to use the recommended settings if you don't know the intricacies of using the ad manager. So with the recommended settings, you will be able to use preset campaigns optimization to help meet your goals. Preset settings include Advantage Plus, Audience, Advantage Plus placements, and more. Now, in my opinion, using the recommended settings is the best, especially if you're a beginner. Now let's go ahead and click on the recommended settings. Right after that, we will now be taken to this page on where we can customize our ads fully. From here, you have your campaign name, so you can just go ahead and type it right here. If you scroll down, you have your specialized ad category. You have the benefits of declaring special ad categories. So you can just go ahead and categorize your ads if you want to. So you can just go ahead and click this right here. Now, in our case, let's go ahead and click on next. Right after that, you have your ad name set. So you can go ahead and browse down, and from here you have conversion. You have your conversion location. If you want to send them to your website, you want to click on website. You have app, messaging apps, Instagram or Facebook, or calls. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on Instagram and Facebook. From here, you can then go ahead and select your Facebook page or Instagram profile. So you can just go ahead and select them right here. Below, you have your bid control. Meta will aim to spend your entire budget and get the most results using the highest volume bid strategy. So if you want to use this feature right here, you can just go ahead and do so. Set a bid control if you want to control your maximum bid in every auction. So this is truly optional if you want to go ahead and do this. You have your budget schedule. Now this is really important. So let's go ahead and say that you want to spend around $10 for at least 3 days or 7 days. So you can just go ahead and put that right here. In my country, $10 is going to be around somewhere between 600 pesos, and below that you have your schedule. This is basically where your ads will run. So let's go ahead and say that my ads will run at February 11, 2025, 6:19 p.m. and we have the end date. So Facebook will try to go ahead and use all of our budget within the specific start date and the end date of our project or campaign. So you can just go ahead and put your end date right here and you should be good to go. Once again, this is completely optional. You can just go ahead and leave it at the start date, and from there the ad will run out once your budget runs out. You can go ahead and monitor your budget once your ad is running. If you scroll down, you then have your budget scheduling. You can go ahead and increase your budget during specific time periods. If you want to go ahead and add more budget to your campaign, you can just go ahead and click on this button. From here, you have your date, you have your money, or you have your credits on which how much you want to increase your budget for this specific campaign. So you can just go ahead and put this right here. Below, you have your ad scheduling. If you want to schedule your ads, you can just select this specific button. And so below that, you have your audience control. You want to set criteria for where ads for this campaign can be delivered. So in my case, it's going to be delivered at United States. But of course, once again, you can go ahead and edit this if you want to. You can just go ahead and click on the edit button, select your place or select the ad where you want to be dropped off, and you should be good to go. If you scroll down, you then have your placements. And lastly, if you go ahead and click on next, you will then be taken to the ad creative. So you can upload your image right here, your video. You can go ahead and set up your website event, app events, offline events, and more. So you can just go ahead and click on publish, or you can go ahead and click on the review button right here, and you will go ahead and see your entire ads. So the tips for successful Facebook advertising is to test multiple variation. You want to run A and B tests to see which ads performs best. You want to keep it simple. You want to be clear, concise message often outperform complex ads. And lastly, you want to engage with your audience. Use visual and copy that resonate with your target demographic. And so, congratulations, you've completed the step-by-step tutorial for Facebook ads. By following these guidelines, you'll be on your way to creating effective campaigns that drive results. Keep experimenting, analyzing, and optimizing to improve your advertising strategy over time. Good luck with your Facebook ad journey. Thank you.